Hey friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make Oreo brownie. Oh my god, this brownie was so fudgy, so moist, just delicious, okay? Very simple to make. Even if you never baked before, you'll be able to make this brownie, I promise you. So let's get started. To start my recipe, I take the butter. I'm using salted butter, okay? Add it to a little pan and take to the cooker, at medium heat just to melt the butter only, okay? After that, I add chocolate. I'm using Belgian dark chocolate, okay? Because I don't like it too sweet, but you can add milk chocolate as well if you prefer, okay? And we're gonna just do it at medium heat, but this stage you can just turn your cooker off, okay? And we're gonna keep adding other ingredients. After that, I add cocoa powder, okay, with my cooker off, don't forget that. And also I add as well a little bit of oil. The oil let your brownie moist for longer, okay? If you ever baked a brownie before, you know that after 1 day or 2 days the brownie become very dry. For avoid that, I'm adding a little bit of oil as well, sunflower oil, and we let that mix to cool or at least become at home temperature, okay? Now to a large bowl, we add eggs. Give preference to medium or large size eggs, okay, not small, and the sugar, okay. I'm using here soft light brown sugar and the granulated sugar as well for this recipe. Try to don't use caster sugar. We need the granulated sugar, okay? Mix that very well, at least 2 minutes, okay? You can use a hand mixer if you want to, but I don't think that you need. And a little bit of vanilla extract, we incorporate that very well. And after we add the mix of butter, chocolate, cocoa powder, okay, the mix that we done before when it's already at home temperature, not hot, but a home temperature, okay. Mix that very well. You're gonna find the list of the ingredients on the description box, okay. After I add some my plain flour, okay, not self-raising flour, have to be plain flour, okay, not a cake flour, okay, as well, and a pinch of salt. I like to add a pinch of salt even if I use uh, salt butter, but it's just my preference, okay. I feel like when I add pinch of salt, when I add the flour, intensify the flavor of the chocolate in the brownies and cakes and cupcakes, okay. I'm using a 8-inch cake tin, okay. These tins are from Amazon. I can link it in the description box as well, okay. And also my oven is already on. My oven be on since I start making this recipe about 5 minutes, okay, at 180 degree. I have a electrical oven. Sometimes people ask, what kind of oven I have. I have electric oven, okay. I bake it at 180 degree, but if you want to bake at 170 degree as well, that's perfect fine. We add just half of brown butter. We add Oreo, okay, and after we finish with the rest of our brown butter as well, and that's it. We take to the oven, okay, and bake it. I normally bake this one for 30 minutes, okay, and that's it. It's very simple to make. It's the same brown that I make at home for my family, and it's the same recipe that I make for my customer. It's the same thing, okay. Not very sweet, like I mentioned before. If you like your dessert or you to be very sweet, you can add a milk chocolate instead of dark chocolate. Okay, and that's it. I like to allow my brownies to cool down completely, okay, before I slice it, okay, um, because just the texture is better when you allow your brownie to cool down completely, okay. Very simple recipe, okay. um I really hope that you enjoy to watch this video, okay. I made it very, simple way for you, okay. You can make it for your family, for your friends, for sale, okay. As you know, my channel is about home-based business, because I am a home-based business, okay. uh, baking goods. Okay, I bake cakes, cupcakes, bento box cakes. Okay. Thank you very much to watching. If you want to know anything about this recipe or anything else, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next one. Bye.